Hello, I would like to introduce you to Commun application. The main goal of this app is to improve the taxi sharing experience in Morocco for both passengers and taxi drivers. The capabilities of this app enable users to take advantage of faster, safer and more cost-time effective rides. As the target audience of this app are potential passengers as well as the taxi drivers, I'm going to present the features from the both sides. So let's get it started from the taxi driver perspective. First, I launch the app. A blank user profile pops up. I need to fill in all the details regarding my personality, including my name, photo, sex, age and phone number. All of these will be provided to the potential passengers in order to let them decide if they want to be served by me. Also, I have to add an information about my car as well as current and maximum places free to occupy. The former helps passengers to identify taxicab on the street. The latter one enables better cost-efficient rides for a driver. I log in and see my current location on the map. I play around with the map and see the taxicabs in my neighborhood. Green ones are the free cabs, yellow ones are semi-loaded, the red ones are full of capacity. I can zoom in to see a detailed map in my neighborhood. The flags represent pickup points for the passengers. The data is updated on the fly. I will discuss the passenger data later on. Now let's discuss another button. The button on the right lower corner allows the driver to search on demand for free requests and perform an optimal routing to them. However, it is not necessary because the application checks automatically for the valid rides popping up. As a new ride request is submitted, the closest available taxi is detected and driver receives calculated route from the current location via starting point and finally to the passenger's destination. The algorithm takes into account also already accepted requests, finding the best sequence of the starting and ending points. Driver receives a text summary with a distance and time to travel. Worth telling is also that the routing analytics work totally offline with no internet connection required. Next, the profile of passenger shows up. The driver can examine the profile and choose if he accepts or not this passenger. Let's confirm the request. Now I'm ready to go and I write my current location changes. I see a new request popping up, meeting the criteria of maximum detour distance from the current route. The route is updated taking into consideration optimal stops order. Next, I confirm the new request. Another great feature of this app is enforcing safety for passengers, especially women and taxi drivers. Anytime the user can tap on the bell icon located on the upper left corner and an emergency incident is sent to the nearest users within the 2-kilometer radius, so they can be informed and react accordingly. For example, drive to the location and check out what is happening. Now let's move to the passenger's experience. This time also I need to provide personal information in order to log in. The user experience is almost the same. The map depicts relevant taxicabs and stops updated frequently. First, the passenger can specify maximum deviation distance allowed from the shortest route between starting and an ending point. Let's pick up 2000 meters. Also, the passenger can submit a request using an icon in the lower right corner of the map. As I click on it, I can add starting point using the voice or a map. If the voice is chosen, the input text is used for geocoding, finding the location based on the input text on the map, of course. If map is selected, the passenger can manually add stops by tapping places on the map. I can specify as a pickup stop, for example, a tramway station of my choice. Next, I tap on the destination point. Afterwards, I choose the number of passengers a request placed for. After a while, the closest taxi cab is calculated. Optimal route with the cost estimated is shown as well. Next, passenger can accept traveling with the driver or not. The most suitable details helping me to make a decision are for sure a photo and ranking. I agree to go with the driver. Next, I wait for a driver to accept my request. After a while, I get the positive answer. As the taxi driver approaches my starting location, I receive a notification so I can be ready for the pickup. As demonstrated, this application not only streamlines the taxi sharing experience in Morocco, but also enforces safety by using user profiles and emergency incident reports. Another big benefit of this app is the flexibility of defining stops, detour distances, and finding the best order of stops to visit. I hope you enjoyed this clip as well as Commun application. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.